because at the moment we kind of reaching the bottom. I decided to clear my head, and the only way for me to clear my head is to do something, some activity. And tonight I'm going to hike or climb Agung again. As you know, I've been planning this one really long, but then there was something happening. We got something to do, or there was not good weather conditions. Now it's kind of all good. Laura checked the forecast for tomorrow and it looks really good. And you will see it now. I have a friend. Hey buddy, are you coming with me? Leaving offering at 2000 meter altitude. It's always a tradition for everyone who's going to the summit of Agung. This is a big campsite at 2400 meters above the sea level. I have no idea what is written there. When we'll be home, then I will translate it. All right, I will little bit repeat again. I was filming it already on a phone. I decided to come to the Agung. This time I tried another trail. It was Purapasar. There are two Purapasar Agung temples where the trail starts. One is Sibatan, another one is I forgot. I will just post it a little bit later when I will get down. Amazing view, as you can see. Sunrise just happening at the moment. Last time I was there, actually last 3 times I was there, but this time, since I was trying out a new trail, I went somewhere wrong. It looks like a temple there. And I came here. Well, I needed to go there. And I don't know, I was following actually the markings, but in some point I just went wrong. It doesn't matter. I've even this cliff is a little bit covering the sunrise, but it doesn't really matter. I'm balancing here on one stone. All around me is, on one side is a crater. On the other side is really steep cliff, and it's really cold. It's about 12 degrees at the moment here. I was really fast this time when I went together with someone, so then it was about with Ivan we did in 6 hours. Today I did in about 4 hours. 4 hours, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. It was kind of really enjoyable hike. I cannot say it was easy, especially the last part when you're already a little bit tired and then you have to hike this one up. It's not that easy, but I felt really confident. This time I'm doing solo. Solo, it means no one else, only me. I wanted to do it for a really long time because, you know, when you're going with someone, you kind of adapting for their speed, because especially on the way down everybody's struggling with their knees because the knees becomes really weak. They've been using all the power to go up, and now what's now? There's the same distance you have to go down. I've been talking about that in another episode. That was Agung, which we did during the Christmas, Catholic Christmas. It was in December, so it'd been a while since I was here. So let's say 5 months I haven't been here. Nothing really changed. Definitely everything looks same amazing. This time a little bit more clouds, but I'm about the clouds at the moment. In this particular place, the altitude here is 2,930 meters. That is a little bit higher. That's 2,970. That's the highest one. That's the 3,030. Yeah, so the sun is rising up. Whenever people coming here to Agung and they say, I've been on 3,030 meters, no way, that's the one. You can climb that as well, but this one where everybody is coming is 2,970. I was quick and I spent a lot of time here up in that corner. I was sitting there. I made coffee, and I was on a summit already 4 o'clock. Theoretically, I would just, there's a big campsite where everybody's camping. So usually many people actually doing like 2-day hike. It means they going up to 2,400 meters, put on tents, waiting for the weather. Sometimes there is no weather, and then probably you have to wait. Otherwise, you just coming to the summit, but it's everything is in the clouds. So sometimes they just sitting there and waiting when the weather becomes bare. And then they coming up this last, how many? 500 meters. One of the best views I ever seen. Okay, shut up, Martin. Let's go down. It's the first time I'm trying to go with a stick. Kind of help, but especially when you're going down, you have to be really careful. Like a Bobby Gulling. Just look at that. That was probably during the eruption. This wasn't actually the side where the lava came out, but I think some lava also came out here. But it was more this lahar, I mean that all the water. Just imagine how much water is inside the crater when it starts erupting. Very spectacular lava ball. I'm entering the forest zone now, really far on my back. It's more than a kilometer, but that's the summit. It's 1 hour 20 minutes since I started descent. And here is a campsite. You know, in the Philippines I did Canlon volcano, which was 2,430 meters above the sea level. But when we did it, we always did it with camping, because there was a long way to get there, and then you rush up and then you're missing this romantic. On the first day you go up to the saddle of the volcano, then you enjoy the evening with the friends, And the next morning, then you go to the summit. The game. See you on top?
Yes.
I don't know, maybe it's a good idea also to do it here, but now I'm doing this up and down and it's like a kind of okay for me. And anyways, my tent is left in the Philippines. First I have to go and pick up it from there. All right, that's done. The way down, it took around 3 hours. Yeah, 3 hours. So basically 4 hours, 15 minutes up and 3 hours back. I'm feeling really good. I'm feeling like, yes, a little bit tired, but of course you should be tired after a 7-hour hike. Even more than 7 hours. All right, thank you very much for watching me today, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.